How to manifest in 17 seconds. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Candice. Thank you so much for being here today. In today's video, I'm going to give you step by step how to manifest in 17 seconds. This technique has been used by millions of people and I want my powerful creators to start using it too. I remember when I was starting in my manifestation journey, I started with this technique and it worked tremendously for me. So I know it will work tremendously for you. I don't know about you powerful creators, but I like things that come fast and quickly. And that's why the 17-second technique is so amazing to me. It was created by Abraham Hicks, which is a channel voiced through Esther Hicks. The powerful couple, Esther and Jerry Hicks, actually wrote this amazing book. It's called Ask and It Is Given. It is one of the first manifestation books I ever read in my life and it changed my life. So I would love for y'all to pick it up too and start reading it. I have the link to this book in my description. Abraham is referred to a group consciousness from the non-physical dimension. So basically, for my understanding, it's a spiritual voice that comes through Esther Hicks and comes in contact with the spiritual world. And she speaks as Abraham to deliver messages for you to understand the amazing world of the universe and to tap into that element, that vibration. If you're interested in more about Abraham Hicks, I also link some of my favorite talks she has here on YouTube, so go check those out. So let's get into the 17-second technique. Abraham says that when you focus on a positive thought for 17 seconds, that is enough vibration to bring your manifestation into your reality. So the first thing you'll do, powerful creators, is to choose a positive thought that you can focus on for the next 17 seconds. You could think of an affirmation or even a scene that confirms your manifestation is complete. Next, you will set a timer for 17 seconds. Then focus on that thought that you chose for the next 17 seconds until the timer is complete. If you feel yourself creeping into a negative thought, you will need to start over. But be gentle with yourself. The more you practice this technique, the easier it will get. Abraham also suggests that 68 seconds of pure thought to bring your desire into your reality. So that is a total of 4 17-second sessions. And we all know the power of the number 4. So 4 times you will do this 17-second technique. I love this technique because it really gives me a clear definition of how I use my thoughts. A lot of times if you're thinking that manifestation isn't working out for you, think about all the seconds you thought about a negative thought. Well, that negative thought is manifesting into your reality. Now, I don't want you to get frustrated because I know we all deal with negative thoughts. But as you build into your manifestation journey, you're going to get better and better about controlling your negative thoughts. That you won't dwell on your negative thoughts, but you'll dwell on your positive thoughts way more than your negative thoughts. So if I think about a negative thought for the next 1 minute, I'm going to want to think about a positive thought for the next 4 minutes. I want to think about my positive thoughts way more. But remember, powerful creators, that your thoughts are just one part of your manifestation journey. You also have to take action. So when you think about your thought and you focus on your thought, you will be putting that thought in your subconscious mind. Therefore, you will live your life in action to your manifestation. So it's going to work out for you. This is why it's so important to think your positive thoughts, to think about your manifestation in the most amazing light, so that you let that manifest into your reality. So for me, when I'm doing the 17-second technique, I like to think of a subject. So maybe my subject is money. So I'll think of one affirmation for 17 seconds. Maybe I am so abundant. And then the next 17 seconds, I'll think of money comes to me easily and effortlessly. And then the next 17 seconds, I'll think that money is so easy to make in my business. So I'll think about that for 17 seconds. And then the next 17 seconds, I'll think about how money is always in my energetic flow. So powerful creators, I want you to do that. 4 different affirmations or 4 different scenes. When I mean scenes, like you are in the kitchen with the love of your life and you guys are dancing and having a great time. End. So that would be one 17-second session you will think about. And then you'll think about how you guys have great communication and how they're always calling you, always hitting you up to come hang out with them. And you'll think about that for 17 seconds. And then the next 17 seconds, maybe you'll think about your wedding day and that you're walking down the aisle or you're seeing your bride walk down the aisle, whatever it is for you. You think about that for 17 seconds. And then the next 17 seconds, you think about having an amazing vacation with your specific person. There you go. I want you to figure out 4 different scenarios, 4 different affirmations to focus on for 17 seconds in each section. Powerful creators, I want you to comment right now a positive thought that correlates with your manifestation. Comment that below, lock it in the comments. Think about it. Think about it for 17 seconds and watch how it manifests into your life very fast. Thank you, powerful creators, for watching today's video. You will use this technique and it will work for you. I declare it right now. And today's powerful creator is Helen Sierminski. Helen, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly appreciate your love and support. It means so much to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment this secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations. And if you like this video, you'll like my next video on the feeling is the secret. Do your 17-second technique, but also get in that feeling of already having what you desire. Go check that video out now. Powerful creators, I have so much fun with you in these videos. I appreciate your kindness and always watching my videos. It means so much to me. I love you so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye!